The Baratza Encore, the go-to home coffee grinder for both new coffee fans and longtime aficionados alike. A simple on-off switch runs the grinder continuously. Use the pulse button to top off your grind. No fuss, just fresh coffee. The Encore has 40 separate grind settings for precise control of grind size. Just turn the hopper to select the perfect grind for your brew. Baratza grinders are built with quality parts and are fully user-serviceable. Enjoy world-class warranty and technical support from the Baratza team. Baratza, we grind, you brew.
Knife blade slips, not forgiving. Cutting board slips, not forgiving. Messy cutting board, not forgiving. Lucky for you, Slice and Fun cutting boards with Force Link technology are forgiving. Force Link technology cutting boards are designed to make cutting food and your cookouts fun. And while its name might sound scientific, how it works is easy. Every Force Link technology cutting board has 2 forks that are mounted at the edge of the cutting board. The Force Links apply 2 pounds of constant force to hold the food you are cutting, preventing knife slips from causing injury and averting ER visits. Now that's forgiving. The cutting board also comes with 4 suction cups that prevent the cutting board from slipping, making your meal prep a whole lot safer. That's forgiving. A messy cutting board makes it hard to see your fingers. The ingredients tray organizes the cut ingredients into separate compartments, creating a safer cooking environment and making it easier for you to follow your recipes. Oh yeah, forgiving. Slice and Fun Force Link cutting boards set you up for cooking success, from the slices you will be cutting to the fun times you will be having. That's why Slice and Fun makes the most forgiving cutting boards on Earth.